So, stretchy bandages, a must-have for your kit really, and these come in 3 colours, which you've got there. You've got a very dark, you've got a brown, sort of mid-brown colour, and you've got a pale colour. And they're so useful. If you imagine that Jodie's bald, you've got a bald stuntman here. You don't really want me to shave all your hair off, do you, Jodie?
If you wouldn't mind not doing that.
But this is really a speedy way of doing a quick wrap under a wig.
Yeah, a way to anchor your wig on, just in speed without a load of tape and glue.
So straight round. Would you hold that front there, Rach? And then it kind of sticks to itself.
It hugs onto the occipital bone underneath.
So I'm just stretching. Round we go. And it's sort of invisibly thin under your wig. And like I say, most stunt guys are bald or balding, aren't they? Or short shave, so it can be a real problem, even getting a spring in. Should we snip there?
Yeah.
There's probably enough grip there, isn't it?
And they don't actually like pins, so you could sort of sew into this as well. And it just hugs right onto that occipital bone.
And it means you can pin into it, or sew into it or whatever, and it just grips really tightly. And so it's a nice quick way under your wig.